Hey everybody, welcome to week 3 of our English 101 class. I am excited because this week you're going to begin working on your first essay. Now you've all got some really great ideas and your annotations have been great. So I'm looking forward to seeing you applying those ideas to the actual essay that we're going to be working on this week. So one thing that will be different though for week 3 in this tech module is you're going to have multiple due dates. So you'll have assignments that are due on Wednesday, assignments that are due on Friday, and assignments that are due on Sunday. So let's just skip ahead, take a look at what we need to do. So we've got several readings for you to complete in the Lumen composition resource. So you'll need to go through and read the sections on organizing an essay, the matters of mechanics, grammar, and style, revising, editing and proofreading, and MLA formatting. Then when you're done with those, you need to complete the assignment number 5, which is the Lumen MLA format practice, where you're going to be formatting some documents to practice this. And then you're going to do the Learning Resource number 9, which is the Academic Integrity and Plagiarism tutorial. So make sure that you get in and complete those things because those are going to help you actually write the essay. So the essay assignment itself, you can go scroll down to the bottom of the tech module and see what the actual assignment is. But these are the things that are going to prepare you for it. So once you finish those, all of those things should be done by Wednesday. So make sure that you get those in. And then you're going to actually draft your essay. Your draft will be due in assignment number 6. That's going to be for tech peer review, assignment number 6. So you're going to submit your draft of your essay. And you're going to provide feedback to 2 of your classmates. This is important, so make sure that you do that. You must complete both of these steps, submitting your essay, your first draft of your essay, and providing peer feedback to your classmates by Friday evening, by Friday at 11:59 p.m., September 17th. This is a 2-part assignment, so you need to do both parts of these. Finally, you're going to take the feedback that you get from me and the feedback that you get from your classmates, and you are going to edit and revise your first draft. You'll submit the final draft of your essay in assignment number 7, tech essay, and that's going to be down at the very bottom of the tech module. One thing I do want to point out is that late assignments will not be accepted. So please make sure that you get in and you start working today on this. You do not want to wait until the last minute. It will not go well. As always, if you have any questions for me, you can call, text, or email. You can come visit me in real life here at the Catonsville campus. I do have office hours, or you can send me a message and we can set up a time to meet virtually. That is it for this week. I will post reminders as we're coming up, so keep an eye on Brightspace for all of those different reminders. And also, if you have any questions, you have the availability, go and talk to somebody over at the Writing and Literacy Center. You can get help with your essays. So all of these resources are available for you, and I'm looking forward to reading your drafts. Have a great day, everybody.